Hello, my YouTube family. How are you all doing? Happy weekend to you all, and I hope you are having a good rest this weekend. Please pardon my voice, like I'm having cold, so my voice might not be that clear or sound. So this video is one of those lazy videos I made while I was pregnant. I call it lazy video or lazy cooking because then pregnancy hormones were all over me. Like I will start shooting at the beginning, then at some point I will just get angry, something will just piss me off, I will stop recording. That's it. I have videos like that, but at least this one I managed to record this video till the end. But still, tell me why I haven't yet posted it on my channel. Maybe is 9. My baby is 9 months, and I made this video while I was still pregnant. Let me say around 8 months, 9 months. In fact, I made this video 10 months ago. So tell me why I haven't posted it. So those brown colored meat I was trying to show you guys, the part of the liver and the lungs that I boiled separate in this small pots. So I started adding them, to the main pot I was using to cook, and I thought of to show you. I don't know, I was just doing everything. And here, remember this, already we have the goat meat in this pot, and I've added the one I used the pressure pot to cook. So I started cooking. What I have here is my pepper soup spice and extra calabash nutmeg. That is ehuru. I wanted the ehuru to be more, as in to be pronounced, Now I've started with my pepper soup. I'm adding extra onion, extra pepper for that, bright color. Some people prefer their pepper soup to be, that dark color. I don't know. Anyhow you prefer it. Sometimes I eat that type. Sometimes I cook my pepper soup like that without adding bell peppers. Sometimes I want it this bright. However you want it, do what pleases you. Most of the times I prefer this bright color that is adding bell pepper when I'm going to use it for rice. I want to see it, charming looking. I want it to be, glowing on my rice, something like that. So like this, so I'm done making my pepper soup. The aim of this video is not to teach you how to cook pepper soup. If you want to really learn how to cook pepper, I have a pepper soup recipe on this channel, so search for it. It's not far from this video, so go there, watch how to cook pepper soup. I hope you enjoyed this video. Did you? Let me answer for I know you enjoyed this video, because me self like this, I'm enjoying talking to you guys. Wait, have you subscribed? Oh,